Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable Save Passwords pop-up window in Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Firefox browser on your PC and then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop-down menu select Settings option. In the Firefox settings, select this one option, Privacy and Security. On the right, scroll down to find this one passwords section. Here you can uncheck this one option, ask to save password. This will disable save passwords prompt on your Firefox browser, and in case you want to allow this one, just check this one option, ask to save passwords. This will offer you, or you can say it will prompt you to save passwords when you will fill up the login details for any website. In case you want to disable save passwords option for a specific website, beside this one option click on this one exceptions button, and here you can type the address of the website on which you don't want to offer Firefox to save the passwords, and then click on this one save first click on this one block button. This will add under website, and then click on this one save changes button.